I'm Dr. Jennifer Harrington. I'm the Department Chair and Program Director of the Central Coast Physician Assistant Program. The CCPA program curriculum is really based on a 2-year curricular model. So the first year students are in the classroom and they're learning medicine with a combination of lectures, hands-on activities, and small group activities, critical thinking, and clinical skills. And then the second year, we send them out to community health centers, and at those centers, they will work with physicians and PAs across the country and serve the underserved patients. If students want to really serve the underserved, which a lot of people going into medicine and PA profession do, they really need to look at the program for how they teach, who is teaching them, and what they do during the clinical year. And the combination of those 3 things at the Central Coast PA program come together really well. So we not only have methods of teaching the students so they are well prepared to meet social determinants of health and meet the needs of patients who are underserved, but we have faculty who have experience in those areas who can lend that experience to the students, and then it comes to a completion during the clinical year when they are sent out to community health centers and they actually get to experience it, participate in it, and be involved firsthand in what that looks like. ATSU is committed to whole person healthcare, and because of that, the CCPA program has really developed a curriculum that teaches students to care for the whole patient. So we just don't teach about medicine alone, we teach medicine and how do you meet the needs of your patients. My vision for the CCPA program for the future is to have students that are alumni, that are going out and serving the underserved, that come back to mentor students that are on campus. I would absolutely love to see the students come full circle and be able to help the next generation of PAs to grow into caring for underserved and meeting needs of populations around the country.